Nani?
Afande umetoka omulala naye kuja. Afande bambi dake mabbali tukwegayiridde taata.
Afande dakwe ebbali tukulabye.
Mayinja. Banna.
Afande oyo.
Afande dake mabbali naawe katono. Banna ate musimbira ki? Kamera zisigale wa.
Kibanda asembayo wali eri.
Banda huyo.
Ali nguyo.
Ye nawe. Mama zedda.
Demutal.
Nani?
Sembera yo muzee.
And this one.
Hey, you skip mama.
Wait. Mama. Okay. Wait and bitch. Okay. No problem. Afanye kwa simama.
Ngende kati.
Afanye tugenda kuketi kumi wogambira.
That's it.
Let's move behind. Presented myself. Equally, yes, security. And A2 had stated that we had 2 areas, residence, and also requested for also another letter from the other area of residence, which has been produced. Since we have satisfied the conditions which have been set, we are ready now to receive the bail ruling. And we stand on our prayers that we are earlier made. Grant the accused persons bail. So pray.
I agreed with them and we concluded.
and did you understand the process?
Yes.
That one, were you involved in the reconciliation of this verdict? Were you part of this process? And you agreed to meet with your complainants and you talked? Are facing, and I'm also mindful of the procedure under the law of cases that can be reconciled upon. I advise the complainants, if they're not interested in further pursuing this matter, to liaise with the representative of the DPP, and the file is forwarded to the DPP for the possible withdrawal under the provisions of Section 121 of the MCA. Considering the provisions of 160, I'm inclined to enter a reconciliation in this matter. However, I proceed to deliver my ruling on the bail application. Bail is premised on the presumption of innocence, and for court to grant or not to grant bail, it considers whether the accused persons have a fixed place of abode, and whether, if released, they will be able to return. Two is whether the accused persons are provided sureties who are able and ready and willing. These persons must bind with. Conditions for bail is 1, each of the accused persons are released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. 2, the sureties are bonded at 5 million shillings each. Each of the sureties for each of the accused persons, not non-part. 3, the accused persons are not allowed to leave the country without express permission of court. If they intend to leave the country, they have to seek permission of court. 4, the accused persons are warned from any interference with the victims or their workplace, whether verbally or through social media. As such attack, if proved, shall lead to automatic cancellation of bail. Those are the conditions for bail. If you meet the conditions above, the matter will come for mention. 13 in January. That's ample time to conclude the processes.
amateeka gakirambika bulungi olw'ekika ky'emisango egibavunaanibwa nti temusobola kutabagana butabaganyi olw'ekika ky'emisango egibavunaanibwa, wabula abasabye mukwatagane n'omuwabi wa gavumenti okulaba nga emisango gino gibagibwako mu butongole ng'amateeka bwe gakirambika. Mu nsonga ya beyiro, kkooti egambye nti kkooti bwe banga egerawo okweyimirirwa etunuulira nti avunaanibwa alina ekifo eky'enkalakalira mwabeera, ajja kusobola okudda mu kkooti olunaku lwaba yeetaagibwa nga n'abalima baleese bagwanidde. Avunaanibwa asooka yaleeta maama we ng'omulima, mukwano gwe ne muganda we omuwazi wa gavumenti teyawakanya balima abo, era kkooti nayo ekizudde nti baali bagwanidde okweyimirira. Omuvunaanibwa owokubiri yaleeta mwannyina n'emikwano gye ebiri, newankubadde omuwabi wa gavumenti yawakanya abalima bano ababiri. Kkooti y'ekizudde nti bano baali babadde emikwano gye okumala ebbanga ddene, era n'ekizuula nti bagwanidde era baali bamanyi obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe n'emirimu gyabwe gye balina okukola, ate era nga batuuze b'omu kitundu kino n'avunaanibwa gy'abeera nti basobola okukola omulimu gwabwe. Kkooti ekkiriza okusaba okweyimirirwa bukwakkulizo buno wammanga okusinziira ekika ky'omusango gubavunaanibwa. Buli avunaanibwa agenda kusasula akakadde kamu mu buliwo. Abaabeeyimirira buli omu ajja kusasula obukadde 5 singa abantu bano babula ne batadda okusasula gavumenti ya Uganda buli omu oba n'okwatibwa. Basabiddwa obutafuluma ggwanga oyo yenna ayagala ofuluma.
All the charges, he has exercised his rights and applied for bail. He has presented 3 sureties, his chairperson LC1, manager, and his elder sister. There is no objection on the sureties presented. Both counsel for the accused and counsel for the state has informed court of the possible settlement of this matter, and that the complainant has recorded an additional statement, a copy of which has been furnished to the court. I find the sureties presented substantial, and I find that the accused resides within the jurisdiction of this court. I find the sureties will be able to prevail over the accused. There is no serious objection to the application. The same is allowed, however, considering the charges you face, I put conditions to ensure that the reports owe until the matter is determined by the DPP. So bail is allowed on the following terms. The accused is released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. The sureties are bonded at 3 million shillings, not cash. The accused is warned from leaving the country without express permission of court. For any possible reconciliation, counsel for the accused and the state can forward the file for the DPP for advice under section 121. Considering the charges he faced, the court cannot just enter a reconciliation. If he meets the conditions above, the matter comes up on 13th January 2025 for nation. I also warn, as a word of caution, the media houses here, let's be professional. Some of you read court and you can start reporting your own issues. Be professional when you're reporting. And also informing the bloggers, report what is right. If you find you are just reporting the way you want, you might come back as one of our clients. Or else we are ready to receive.